Okay, so let's get started. So I'm going to be using my Hourglass Vail primer all over my face. For foundation, I'm going to be mixing two. I'm going to be using my stick foundation from Tarte and my Makeupforever foundation. My Makeupforever, it is a lighter color, so I tend to put that in the center on my face where usually I highlight. And my Tarte foundation, it is a tan color, so I put that one around my face where I want it to be more of a contour or bronze. To highlight my face, I'm going to be trying the Makeup Revolution concealer. This is the first time I tried this concealer, and it has a really strong scent. I did not really like the scent. Also, I feel like it's not a full coverage, for example, like my Shape Tape concealer. I feel like I have to go back and add another layer just to get to the coverage that I like. And it dries real quick, so you have to work really fast because if not, it's hard to blend. I mean, it's alright concealer, but if it was up to me, I would just keep using my Shape Tape. I don't think I'll honestly use this one again. And sorry for the noise in the background. Probably you guys could hear my dog barking. Every time I want to do a voiceover, she always starts barking. To set my concealer, I'm going to be using the Maybelline Fit Me loose powder. As you guys know, this has become one of my favorite powders to use. Is really fine powder. I actually like it better than the Laura Mercier translucent powder, and it's way cheaper. To contour, I'm going to be using my Benefit Hoola bronzer. As you guys know, this is one of my favorite bronzers, and I'm just using the brush that it comes in the bronzer. Now to bronze my face more and blend the contour, I like to use the Rimmel natural bronzer. I just feel like it gives you more of a natural bronze and it doesn't look like too harsh the contour. So I just like using both at the same time. I've been loving doing this combo and I feel like it looks really nice on the skin. For blush, I'm going to be using this one from Milani and it's in the color Rose de Oro, I believe. If I have it wrong, I'll leave it down in the description below. For highlight, this is going to be the first time that I'm going to be trying the Amrezy highlighter. I'm super excited to try it. And look at that, guys. Oh my god, this highlighter is so blinding. When I saw it, I was like, yes, give it to me. It's just so beautiful. Honestly, I've been using this highlighter every day non-stop since this day because I think it goes so well with my skin tone and it just looks beautiful. As always, I like to go back with the brush that I used for my bronzer just to blend everything together. For my eyes, I'm going to be using the HudaBeauty Desert Dusk eyeshadow palette. I'm super excited to finally try this palette on. I mean, just look at this palette. It just looks so beautiful. For my transition color, I'm going to be using Amber and I'm just going to be applying this in the outer corner of my eye and I'm going to be taking it all in my crease. I really like to pack the color first and then after I like to go back with my blending brush and then just start blending the outer corners and then just that line that you see. Now I'm going to be using this like a reddish eyeshadow color in the name Saffron and I'm applying this also in the outer V and I'm also going to be taking it in my crease. I have no idea what I was listening to here, but I started making these faces. For the center of my lid, I'm going to be using the shade Blue Moon and I'm basically applying this with my finger. I have heard that these eyeshadows apply better with your finger instead of with a brush. And then in the inner corner of my eye, I'm going to be using the shade Angelic. And these two colors combined, they just look so beautiful. And then I just go back just with the blending brush just to apply a little bit more in the inner corner of my eye. And my bottom lashes, I'm just applying the shade Amber and Saffron together. For lashes, I'm going to be using the Huda Beauty lashes in the style Noelle. For my waterline, I'm going to be using the NYX Black Eyeliner. To set my makeup, I'm going to be using the Urban Decay This Slick Setting Spray. I love this spray because it makes my face look dewy, but it doesn't get greasy during the day. For lips, I'm going to be using MAC liquid lipstick. I forgot what shade it is, but I'll leave it down below in the description box. And this is the final look. I hope you guys did like this look. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe if you guys haven't subscribed yet. Leave me a comment down below, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye, my loves.